you beautiful peeps, my name is John, welcome to my channel. Today we're going to be testing the Method RC belted tyres for the Arrma Felony. Now I have already done a studio video of this showing all the dimensions and talking a lot more about the tyres, so pop over to see that. But for now we're just going to see, are they any good? Are they worth your money? Let's find out. I love this car! That grips so well. Straight off the bat, I'm used to it having a lot less grip on the tyres and it's sliding a lot more. You see that I'm struggling to power slide around, but that is just unbelievable. I love this car. Big smile every time I drive it. But it's scary! I tell you, those people that don't have one of these, you should think about it. Right, just quickly, I'm going to have a look at the tyres. Absolutely no problems at all. You can actually feel the heat coming off them. That is brilliant. Wow. Wow, wow, wow. Scary. So should you buy Method RC tyres? Hell yeah! Should you also buy an Arrma Felony? Hell yeah! I just tried wiggling while I was at full throttle and it grips so well. You see the speed it takes off? Okay, I 100% can say that these tyres have much more grip than the originals. We have driven the Felony here before and it was very, very slidey, very slippery. I was able to power slide so easily. I would have said that the actual area itself has got more sandy over the years. Unbelievable. Love it, love it, love it. Colin's having a quick wang. You'll clear.
It's a scary car.
It's very scary, isn't it? I was just saying how scary I felt this car was. So Colin says, let's have a wang. Ah, there's the bump.
No, the other one was much further up.
Was it?
Yeah.
That is so impressive.
Oh.
So impressive. Dear God!
It's hard to keep up with it.
It is, it's so fast. So, Colin, what do you think?
It's a crazy car.
I mean, you love the car, but what do you think about the tyres and grip?
A lot of grip.
Yeah?
Still has enough power to power slide though.
Yeah. Yeah, but you definitely need more throttle now to power slide than you used to. Just quickly, before we stop recording for today, Colin's driven, I've driven, we've just done the slow-mo with the power slide, so we wanted to show you the tyres and how well they've held up. So if you come and have a look, Colin, you can see they've not worn down and they look in pretty good state considering all of that power sliding you just did, Colin. Very, very good indeed. They're actually warm to the touch, which they obviously would be, but they've handled it all very well indeed. So ladies and gents, what do you think of that footage? Oh my golly gosh. How much grip do these tyres give? Absolutely brilliant. Colin himself just said, because he was recording the last time when we were driving the car on the old or the original factory tyres, that this is now the absolute perfect balance between grip and being able to go full speed, obviously because they're belted, they're not ballooning up, but also you've got just the little or the smallest ability to be able to easily get it into a power slide. It definitely takes a lot more to get it into the power slides now than it did before, showing how much more grip there are on these tyres. And for those that don't know, we live in Malta. Everywhere has a thin layer of sand. If I drive any other cars here, there's sliding everywhere, where this, I had no problems opening the throttle and going at full speed. It still scares the crud out of me, this car. If it hit you, oh my God, you're gonna feel it. Can I recommend Method RC belted tyres to you? When these wear out, I'm gonna buy more from Method RC. Simple, no discussion about it, because they are that good. The pricing I will put on the screen now because I did that earlier on for the studio video. If you don't own an Arrma Felony, this video is not about the Arrma Felony, this video is about the tyres, but why don't you? Yeah, I know it's expensive, but you get a lot of car for the money, I have to say. And I said again on this studio video, but as I'm recording this also for John Robinson RC, I will tell you that this car just goes on and on and on. I can't remember how long I've had this car for, but I have never serviced it. I've cleaned it, but I've never serviced it, and it still just goes. It is absolutely amazing. So thank you so much for watching. Hit that like button, subscribe to both channels, John Robinson RC and John Robinson RC Essential. We'll catch you next time. Take care, stay safe. Bye-bye.